In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete opening balance in Zoho Books. If you've ever entered an opening balance incorrectly or you're starting fresh after a cleanup, deleting the opening balance is a straightforward way to reset those starting figures. Before we begin, a quick note. Removing an opening balance can affect your reports and the way past transactions roll up. If you rely on historical comparisons, make a quick note of your current numbers so you know what's changing. And if you manage more than one organization in Zoho Books, double check you're working in the right one. Let's get started by opening your browser and going to books.zoho.com. This takes you to Zoho Books. If you aren't already signed in, continue as you normally would and land on your organization's dashboard. Once you're in, everything else happens inside the app. No downloads or add-ons required. Now, head to the top right corner of the screen and click the gear icon. This opens the settings area where all your organization level preferences and financial setup live. The gear is the quickest way to reach foundational items like taxes, chart of accounts, and in our case, opening balances. Taking this route ensures you're adjusting the core setup rather than making changes in a specific module. From the settings menu, click opening balances. This page summarizes the starting amounts you initially entered when you set up your books, things like beginning balances for bank accounts, accounts receivable, and accounts payable. It's a good idea to glance through the figures here and confirm you're on the correct screen before you remove anything. Think of this page as the staging area for your company's day one numbers. With the opening balances screen open, look again to the top right and click the delete icon. It typically appears as a trash can. Selecting this option removes the opening balance information associated with your organization's setup. Because this action changes baseline figures, you may see an informational message explaining what's about to happen. Read it carefully so you know what will be cleared. When the deletion completes, the opening balances will be reset and the previous amounts will no longer appear in this section. That's the full process. You went to books.zoho.com, opened the gear icon to access settings, selected opening balances, and used the delete icon to remove them. If your goal was to correct a mistake, you can come back to this same opening balances area later and enter the correct figures once you're ready. Take a moment after this change to keep your team informed so everyone understands why starting numbers may look different. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helped you clean up your setup with confidence.